Hey guys, Swept-Go Rad Performance here. Today we're showing you what another alternative you can do if you want to go deep cleaning your car. So if you pull out all the carpets, yes, you can just clean them like a normal thing if you have a good summer's day outside and a strong sun to dry it up. I just scrubbed it with some Simple Green. See, I sprayed some Simple Green, scrubbed it with a brush, try to take out everything that I could. And I think the pressure washer will help as well. I've done this on one of my other cars and no problems, no smell, cleans it right up pretty good. So this is another alternative. You don't have to get a wet vac if you have a little pressure washer. You can just get it done like this. See all the dirt coming out? Just keep making passes like that. Pressure washing the other side. We got the other guy hanging up to dry over there. Just hanging out for now. Let the sun take care of him. Alright guys, so we pressure washed everything. It's been outside in the sun for a little bit, so it's drying up. We have everything kind of up like this and exposed, that way none of the water sits in it and, you know, gets stuck and then doesn't dry. We want it to dry. We'll let it sit out here for maybe a whole day, maybe more. But it's doing pretty good. I removed the jute on this because I didn't need it for my application. I have pressure washed with the jute still attached. The jute on this was like kind of eaten away by rust from the previous car I was in. But you can do it with the jute. I have done it before. If, you know, your jute's in good condition, and then just leave it out to dry, blow it out with some compressed air, and then it'll be good to go. Or you can remove the jute, as I often do, so that way it doesn't rust and create problems down the road. But stay tuned. This is a 4th gen Camaro carpet. I'm going to be putting in my 3rd gen 84 for the build series that I have on this channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, guys. And until next time, Swept-Go Rad Performance. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.